Let's now take a look at the premium conversion through the Section 125 Flex Plan. Now, let us discuss premium conversion. So, what is premium conversion? Premium conversion applies to your payroll deducted medical, dental, and vision insurance premiums. You may elect to pay these premiums on a pre-tax basis. It decreases your taxable income reported on your W-2. It increases your take-home pay because less taxes are deducted. Most employees elect this benefit to maximize their take-home pay. It is a great way to reduce your tax liability. Please be aware that anything that allows you to reduce your taxable income has some risk associated with it. In this case, that risk is the fact that you can't change your coverage mid-calendar year. Basically, the IRS is saying that in exchange for the tax savings, you have to keep the same benefit for the entire calendar year. Is there a risk? Yes, a minimal one. You can't make a mid-year change to your medical or dental coverage, such as dropping coverage on yourself or family members. You would have to be within the 1 month, that is 31 days max, of a qualifying event, or wait until the end of the calendar year. The vision plan doesn't allow you to drop mid-year, regardless of if you pre-tax or post-tax the premium, except to drop dependents who become ineligible. Consider enrolling in medical or dental on an after-tax basis if you think you may need to drop coverage before the end of the year and you won't have a qualifying event. You may change your premium conversion election at the end of each year to take effect on January 1st. So if you know you're going to keep the coverage along with your dependents, then you should consider pre-taxing. However, if you are unsure about whether or not you will like the plan or need the plan, or it will be too expensive, then you should consider after-taxing. Also, if you want the ability to drop anyone at any time for any reason, then you should consider after-taxing. If you decide to post-tax and see that you are not having any issues, then you may switch to pre-tax for the next calendar year during open election. It's okay to change medical and/or dental coverage mid-year due to the gain or loss of a dependent. For example, as the result of a marriage, a divorce, a legal separation, or an annulment, or as the result of a death of a spouse or dependent, the birth or adoption of a child, or if your child ages out at age 26, or loss of other coverage. For example, your spouse loses their job and coverage through that job. Your benefit change must be on account of and consistent with the qualifying change in status. Be sure to notify HR within 1 month. New coverage generally takes effect first of the following month. Be careful about covering an adult child. If you pre-tax, you can't drop them unless one of two things happen. The child turns 26, we'll automatically drop them in that case and offer them COBRA, or they get other coverage. Your spouse gaining a new job with new coverage is a qualifying event for you to drop coverage within 31 days. There is no "I'm young and healthy now and can just add it later" option, nor a "I've been here umpteen years so I should be able to get it anytime I want" option. This is important. This may be your only chance to enroll in medical or dental coverage. The university does not guarantee an annual open enrollment, nor do we have an evidence of insurability application process. Are you waiving our plans because you have other coverage? If you are declining coverage because you have other coverage, make absolutely sure you remain covered under the other plan. It's best to get written verification. This is especially true if you are on Medicaid or Our Kids First. You must notify them within 10 days of starting a new job to confirm you are still eligible for those benefits. So, please notify us as soon as possible when a state plan sends verification coverage has ended for you or a dependent. Also, visit our website for checklists when you experience one of the following events: marriage, divorce, the birth of a child or an adoption, full-time to part-time, a leave of absence, or military leave.